Question 6. JAMB 2020 Chemistry. While the difference in electronegativity between bonded atoms increases, the polarity of the bond what? So when the electronegativity is increasing, what happens to the polarity of the bond? Now we know that electronegativity is the ability of an electron to accept, of an element to accept electrons. For instance, chlorine 287 accepts was 1 electron to attain stability. Okay, so chlorine is an electronegative element. So the question is, when there is a difference in the electronegativity between bonded atoms and it is increasing, what happens to the polarity? Now, bond polarity is used in describing the sharing of electrons between atoms in a covalent bond. The sharing of electrons between atoms in a covalent bond. So we know covalent bond as a type of bond alongside electrovalent or van der Waals, ionic bonding and all of that. So in covalent bonding, there is sharing of electrons between the participating atoms. Now, these elements don't share atoms equally. Okay, so a polar covalent bond, the electrons are shared equally between the two atoms, but that's a non-polar covalent bond. The electrons are shared equally between the two atoms, but a polar covalent bond, one atom has a greater affinity to the electrons than the other atom. Okay, so when there is difference in electronegativity and it increases, the polarity of the bond increases as well. Okay, when the difference in electronegativity between bonded atoms increases, the polarity of the bond increases as well. So answer to question 6 is A, increases.